Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download and install Microsoft Outlook application for your Windows 10 or 11 in easy steps. First, you are going to open your Microsoft Store. If you can't find it here, you can just search it here by typing Microsoft Store and you will find it. Once you open it, in the search bar you are going to type Outlook, and as you can see, the first option, and then here, as you can see, Outlook for Windows, you just click here, and for me it is already installed, but for you, instead of this open button, you are going to find install or get. You just click there and the installation is going to start and it will be installed. And then when you finish, if you don't find it here in your desktop, you just go to the search bar, you type Outlook. When you find it here, you can just, as you can see, pin to the taskbar and it will be here just next to those applications, and you can use it as you want. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.